Hello, I am Dawn Grace Jones. I'm a registered nurse and I'm an attorney. And I have some information for you regarding the electronic health record. I have an ebook. The name of it is The Electronic Health Record. Document properly, avoid litigation. It's on Amazon. But I wanted to talk to you just briefly about one component of this whole system. So it's a formatted system and it gives us a lot of different um, ways that it presents information. So we are to select or type in, or sometimes we cut and paste, and we can do a lot of different things with this system. But remember, the goal is to document. The goal is to memorialize what has happened, what you've done, communicate. It's the same thing as when we actually write down our documentation. So, for example, you write in this thing, you use this thing. It's a computer, so a lot of people don't see it as documentation. It is. If something goes wrong or if there's a question, it's downloaded. When it's downloaded, they're papers, and those papers have what you've done in it, and it comes out a certain way. So today I want to just briefly talk about and really quickly mention the drop-down menu. The drop-down menu. The drop-down menu is very serious. It's a great feature. It can be used to really help us make a difference. Remember, the goal is to paint a picture of your patient. Remember, the goal is to communicate about your patient, what you've done or what you intend to do, the outcomes, evaluations, all of that stuff goes in there. So when you're doing that and you get a drop-down menu, you need to understand each part of that. You need to understand each line and what it says, why it says it, what it means to your patient care. If you don't do that and you just select it because someone says, this is what we always select in this area, and that happens to us often on these jobs, and you don't understand it, you know what could happen? Let me tell you what can happen. In my ebook, I have examples. I have actual parts of lawsuits and how they've come out because through our best efforts, things happen. Well, someone used a drop-down menu, did not understand what they were selecting. Someone else responded to that and wrote orders based on what they selected. Subsequently, a patient died. I'm telling you that because you need to understand the drop-down menu. If you're going to use it, you need to understand it. You need to understand every part of it because we're painting a picture. Our patient is our primary focus to make sure we deliver quality care to that patient. We want to take care of that patient. We want to document properly. We want to take care of our license and ourselves along the way. So remember, I'm Dawn Grace Jones. I have an ebook that may be able to help you out. It's called Electronic Health Record. Document properly, avoid litigation. I lecture all over, letting people know, bringing awareness as to how this works out. All kinds of things about the electronic health record. And as an attorney, I try to show you what could happen, what kind of results you could get if you're not careful. Be careful and take care. Bye-bye.